Alright, so we're going back into Photoshop, and this one is actually one of my favorite tricks. So we have this beautiful photo of Wyoming, and we're not going to erase any of it. What we're actually going to do is we're going to make a panorama out of this. And so, you know, sometimes you see on Instagram or on Instagram, smooth, like, swipe through carousel panoramas, where it's just super smooth and seamless as you go through. That's what I'm going to be doing today. This is not really a panorama, just a beautiful photo. So I'm going to hit up here on View, say New Guide Layout. Number of columns, I'm going to say 2. And then my gutter, I'm going to put it 0, because if I have my gutter more than 0, it'll make a little space between each photo, and it'll crop out some of it, which means that it won't be as seamless. And so when we do that, then we can see that we have these big turquoise lines, and you want to press C to the crop tool, but actually press the slice tool, and hit and press up here slices from guides. So now we have one slice here, which is half of the frame, and then the other slice is here. So when we go up to export, we're going to do save for web. Okay, this is important. And we're going to save the size. The size is fine. And we press save, press images only, and press all slices. And I'm just going to save that to my desktop. And I have on my desktop a lot of stuff, actually. Oh dear. What happened? Oh gosh. Okay, I got it. So, the mistake I made here, in desktop, it makes a new folder called images, and then each of these is one image, and it exported it as a GIF. I don't know why, but I guess that's okay. And so I'm going to grab my phone here and airdrop these 2 photos to Max Baltzer's iPhone. Okay, so now I have, so now as we can see, I have this photo and this photo. Unfortunately, it's not as high quality, but that's a-okay. And these 2, we go over to IG and add these 2 in. So what you want to do if you didn't do the resizing correctly, you press select multiple and then the carousel, but actually we're going to want to flip these around because you want the first photo to be the same, to be in line with the second photo so that it's not a reverse carousel. And so what this does is when you swipe, it does a totally seamless line in between, and you can do it very easily. If it's not cropped correctly, then you just need to zoom out as far as you can, and then pull down or pull up, just so that the framing is the same as the other one. And so, as we can see, I didn't actually do that for this one. So you pull all the way out and then scroll down, next, and Then we go to next, and look at that. You add your caption, all that jazz. Wyoming. Hashtag WY. Okay. Share it to all of your friends. Everybody will be very impressed with you. And that is it for this trick. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe below if you're not already. Like this video if you liked it. Comment below if you have any questions for me. If you would just like to make your voice heard. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Social distancing. 6 feet. Bye.